Charlie, Charlie.
He's a naughty boy.
Mommy, Mommy.
He's sometimes naughty too.
Kitty, Kitty.
I am quite a sickle knock.
Alfonso, Alfonso.
I don't know what, but he's quite silly.
Kitty, Kitty.
I am a little headache.
Chrissy, Chrissy.
He's quite dumb, but I'm quite smart.
Fishes, fishes.
They're quite silly, I'm quite crazy.
Wally, Wally.
I don't know, but she's really mad.
Bella, Bella.
She's a bit, I haven't seen her.
Elliot, Elliot.
What is she? It's a headache.
I thought Elliot was a boy. Charlie, Charlie.
He's a naughty boy.
Kitty, Kitty.
I'm a little knick-knock. You like when I say that?
Yeah.
Then do it
Ting
again.
tong, you mean?